Hello there, it's Derek again and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you some Google Apps updates, tips and tricks that you can apply when you're actually using your phone. So if you're new here, just give this video a thumbs up and let's just dive into the video. So the first update I want to share with you is within the YouTube app. So initially Google actually brought an update which was a bit irritating when you were watching a YouTube video and then you actually just tap on the screen like this. You were not going to be able to tap on the screen to make everything on the screen go away, but you'd have to tap on an exit or a close icon right here. But in this update it has been taken away, and then now you can just tap on the screen and then just continue with whatever you are doing without being forced to tap on the X button or the exit button at the right top corner. So that is one update I noticed. And another one which was also very cool was the like button of a YouTube video. When you're actually watching it, when you tap on it, it shows a reaction right here. You can see an animation is shown when you just tap on it. So in case maybe you want to apply it or try how it works, just like this video up, and you're going to see how the animation is going to be, and that is basically very cool. Let's check out the next update Google actually brought to us. So the next update Google brought to us was within the Gboard, and right now when you try typing something, let's say LOL, you're going to see a wand at the right top corner of your Gboard right here, and then when you tap on it, it's going to present to you an emoji which is going to suit whatever you typed, and then you tap on it again, it's going to restructure whatever sentence or word you typed right here. You tap on it again, it's going to do the same right here, and that is basically very cool. When you tap on it, finally it will take all the emojis away. So in case maybe I type happy birthday right here and then I tap on the wand right here, you're going to see the emojis that were brought to me. I tap on it again, it's actually going to change it, and then with this it will also change it, and then finally it will just take it off. That is one update Google brought to us, and I think it's very nice. It makes the conversation you're having with the person very attractive, and it's actually making you enjoy whatever you are doing, and that is basically very cool. So let's check out the next update Google brought to us. So the next update Google brought to us was within the Translate app. So right now the Translate app actually supports Material You theming. When you check out right here, you can see the dynamic colors, and then it has two new widgets too. So you can see when I drop it on my screen, we have the saved section, and then we have the history section. Whatever you try translating on your app pops up when you click on the history section, and then in case maybe you saved something, you're just going to find it right here. So that is the first I noticed when I updated my Translate app. And then also the next widget is also one cool one you're gonna like, and when you check out right here, you're gonna see it has new faces too, and in case you tap on this, you're gonna notice some changes, and then you can even change the shape or the size of it. When you check out right here, you're gonna see when you drag it wider, it's gonna change, and when you tap on this section, you can just speak out and then it's gonna translate it to the language you feel you want it to translate. And then when you tap on this one too, you can have a conversation with someone and then just translate it directly to the person. And then also when you tap on this one too, you can transcribe directly from here too, and that is basically very cool. And this side is also going to allow you to scan a text and then translate it directly. So this widget is also one cool one, and it supports Material You theming too when you check out right here, and it looks very great, and Google is actually doing a great thing. So in case maybe you want to just try it out and you're not seeing it right now on your phone, you can just update your apps, and in case you don't have it too and you want to just download it, you can try it on even your iPhone or any Android device, and you're going to get all these widgets and then also Material You theming right here. Provided you have Android 12, you're going to see the Material You theme, and that is basically very cool. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up, and then you can check out right here in case you want to know more tips and tricks about Google Apps too, and then subscribe to the channel for more tips and then also applications you can enjoy on your phone. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.